video you are about to watch is a 360 video, best viewed directly from YouTube instead of Facebook. That way you get to experience all the cool features like moving your mobile device to look in different directions. If you're on a desktop, you can use your mouse to move the image around or zoom in, so feel free to pause anywhere and take a look around. While the video zips us downtown, I'd like to explain what's going on. This is from my point of view of the 2019 parade of the 27th Annual Volkswagen Rally in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. You're going to hear a lot of interesting comments, which I'll explain later in the video. They also get better as we get farther downtown. Also later in the video, there'll be some details on how you can win some Volkswagen stuff. I'll be giving away some Volkswagen stickers, maybe some Transporter Authority stuff. So hop in, let's go for a ride in the parade. Hope you enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Enjoy.
Doesn't make sense is what...